Hell yeah, check out these burgers I just made.
Bread rolls, garlic powder, steak spice and onion powder, special sauce, Worcestershire, onion, egg, lettuce, butter, cheese. 500 grams of beef into a bowl, cut up a large onion, maybe half of it because this is massive. You be the judge on how much you want. Peel up the onion, do that diagonal cut that way, then this way, 5mm chunks. And this can go straight into here. Some garlic powder, steak spice, about a teaspoon, some onion powder, put a splash of Worcestershire sauce, give it a good shake up, some barbecue sauce, a tablespoon minced garlic, teaspoon, crack an egg in there, clean as you go. Parmesan cheese here goes in the mix. About that much. Give it a good mix up. I forgot to get breadcrumbs. And you just hold me in. Gourmet vegetable stock. Put your hands in there and roll up a handful and just flatten it out into a little patty like that, about the size of what your bun's going to be. There's your meat patties done. Yourself some cheese. ADHD cooking. Okay, so I've had a bit of a clean up. Get the bread rolls ready. Little bit of crunchiness at the base. Put some lettuce. Get the stove on. Put everything away. Garlic. Sauces. So this is my Big Mac recipe. Homemade beef patties, special burger sauce, lettuce, cheese, and a fresh sesame seed bun.